down. So as it stands now, we'll be mindful of this on a daily time frame we are right now. So we'll be using this low to high. So we'll be using that as a resistance, and also we'll be using this weekly fair value gap. So as far as price still remain below this weekly fair value gap, see this weekly fair, as far as price remain below it, okay, we will be expecting lower prices. And
hello, my fellow traders. Welcome once again to our weekly market outlook and recaps. This is where we dissect, we look at previous analysis, and we look up to forward with coming. Without wasting much of our time, if you are new to the channel, subscribe it. We are diving straight to DXY, EURUSD, GBPUSD, Nasdaq, S&P 500, US30. Last but not the least, gold. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the charts. We starting first of all with weekly time frame. We predicted this week, we said we'll be using this as a support to go down. So that is exactly what markets did. So you see, we came to just a little bit about 50% of this above it, a little bit above it. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see the high is a 99.312. So 99.312. So a little bit above the 75 quadrant. So we head to daily time frame. See, we make a high of the week on Tuesday. See, that is when sometimes if we have an analysis on weekly time frame, we want it a situation we make a low, like in the sense of the DXY, we are bearish. So we expected to make a high of the week either Tuesday or Wednesday. So this is exactly what's played out this week. Very nice. And like I also expected this to happen. We have this like a lot of confluence here this week. So we use this also as a resistance also. So we don't want it to close above 50% of this. And we have this weekly fair value gap. We have this volume. So a lot of confluence pushing price lower. So that is exactly what market did. This week we'll be expecting the same play. We'll be expecting the same play. We are still bearish. We still have this 98.039. We also have this also 97.477. So these are the targets we want to go. That is DXY for us. That is DXY. And we also look at, let's be mindful of this. This is let me draw this so that so me, I wouldn't want price to go above this level. Okay, I wouldn't want price to go, at least if you want to come to 50% of this level, but don't close above it. So from 50% of this, I want price to start dropping. So probably we have what you call it, we make a high or low. We make a high either Tuesday, Wednesday, or thereabouts. Or we can as well from here drop immediately. We can as current point here, then from here we just drop down. These are the expectation I'm having on a DXY. Then we head to Euro USD. We head to Euro USD. Weekly time frame. See this my other blocker was very, very concerned. You see the way market can come over. Look at that powerful move. So we still have this. This is what will I call this? I will call it terminator point. So 1.1979. So I'll be expecting that too. Please bear in mind this data is coming from a CME. So okay, so that is where the data is coming from. And on weekly, like we expect inverse of a DXY, so see market push higher. Then daily time frame. This is a situation whereby you will be, if you don't have the weekly perspective of price at when price is showing this weeks here, weeks, you see this weeks of Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Monday, then Tuesday. So, a situation where you will be seeing this, if you're not careful, you will be like, this is going to drop. But all these things, they are just using that to lure you into selling. But since we have a weekly perspective ahead, this daily price movements wouldn't do much to our analysis. Then this week we are entering now. See this fair value gap here. So I want a situation whereby price we use this as a support, then we keep on pushing higher to target this our targets here. So I want price to use that to push higher. Then we have this component volume imbalance. So we'll be expecting price to use this as a support. We expect price to use this as a support. Okay. We expect price to use this as a support to push higher. So that is number one. Let me lab that this lab. So we expect price to push this higher. Okay. So to me, the reason price you use this tap into this fair value gap, or you cannot tap into here, then continue to move higher. So that's on Euro USD. We went to pounds USD. Pounds USD. I think why pounds is kind of weak like this is that I think pounds has some bad news or something. So I think that those things are the things that push him from not making a high. So, but we still, no matter what's happened, we still expect him to keep on moving higher. So we have a Monday low, then Tuesday we tap into this fair value gap on Tuesday, making low of the week. Then on Wednesday, the rest is history, and we still expect a higher price. Use this. You already tap into this order block here, so we still expect price to keep on making higher. Then we have Nasdaq. Nasdaq, yeah, is really fun because initially I was seriously expecting him to make a all-time high, but a lot of news came within the week. There is interest rate decisions, and so I think Fed made some decision. They said they will likely cut interest rates, but that will be once coming next year. So I think those news, because people or markets or whatever is expecting uh, interest rates to be cut. So once Fed said they are going to cut once in a coming year, so I think that is what is going to push this high. But the funny part of it, the Dow Jones made another all-time high, while this Nasdaq and S&P CES also, see, both of them failed to make all-time high. Let me show you. See, this is classic SMT. This is a classic SMT. So if this is making higher high, while these two refusing to make a all-time high, so we should be very careful with bulls. We'll be very careful buying. So we'll be very careful. But this is what I'm observing here. The three indices are failing. One is making all-time high, but the two are failing to do that. So I'm seeing some kind of reversal or whatever, but that is my little opinion. But I will be watching it by day basis to see what we have going. So as it stands here on Nasdaq on weekly, see we have this what do you call it? This is is it a bearish engulfing and candle? So if we have this bearish engulfing candle, we should be expecting price to come to this lower part of the curve. Okay, expect him to come to tap this. Okay, the first defense should be this first. So we expect price to come a little bit lower, but this might probably take 1 or 2 weeks before it came to this level. So I'm expecting price to come a little bit lower. That is for me on Nasdaq. Then S&P, since I'm suspecting lower pricing, so I'm still going to go in that direction. Bearish on Nasdaq and the S&P, yes. Then this is where the drama will happen. What is it again? This Dow Jones. We did make all-time high again this week, and the other indices failed to do that. So this one, I will say, is more or less more stronger compared to the other two. It's more stronger compared to other two. So if I'm bearish, I wanted to say, so I wouldn't like looking in this direction. I wouldn't like looking in this direction. So I would be more or less concentrate on the the previous two that I mentioned, ES and the AQ. Then we head to gold. Gold, I don't know, like I said previous week, I think I don't have bias on gold because I was actually expecting him to make take out these levels since when for so long. I think when it was there, that since it was on November 3rd, I did expect him to make all times about. We are still here now, and nothing has happened, and he sees you is struggling, trying to get to all-time high. So good. Right now, I don't have a definitive yes or what you want to do, what you try to do. I don't know what's his own problem. Don't know. Maybe very soon we'll find out what he wants. The other thing that I'm happy can come to this level here, tap into this fair value gap, then try to complete this my previous bias things. Can come to this level. This little fair value gap here can come here. Then try to make out some high, but I can't stick my head on it because I don't know what you want to do. Okay, guys, that will be all for now. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. All right, stay smart and be safe.